In today's video, I'm going to teach you Obsidian versus Roam, how to choose the right note-taking system. Let's start with pricing. Obsidian's core app is free to use, and you can add optional paid services like Sync and Publish if you want cloud sync or public sites. Roam is primarily subscription-based and doesn't offer a full free tier for long-term use, so budget can be a deciding factor right away. Next, think about storage and ownership. Obsidian saves notes as local markdown files on your device, so you fully control and keep the files. Roam stores your notes in the cloud on their service, which is convenient for access anywhere, but your hosted copy lives on their servers. Offline access is straightforward. Obsidian works fully offline out of the box, which is great for travel or low connectivity environments. Roam requires the internet for full functionality, so it shines when you're consistently online. File format and portability matter for long-term knowledge management. Obsidian uses plain .md files, which are easy to back up version and move between tools. Roam uses a proprietary cloud-centric format. You can export your content, but it's not as native or simple as moving a folder of markdown files. The linking model influences how your notes connect. Obsidian uses wiki-style links like double brackets that connect to files. Roam focuses on pages and blocks, giving you both page links and inline block links, which can encourage more granular connections. On block references and transclusion, Obsidian supports block links through plugins or block IDs, so it's possible with a bit of setup. Roam offers native block references and easy block embedding, making block-level reuse a core experience. For extensibility, Obsidian has a large community plugin ecosystem with themes, tools, and integrations. Roam's official marketplace is more limited, with fewer third-party options overall. If you like visual overviews, both provide graph views. Obsidian includes a full graph view built in. Roam also offers a graph or network visualization, though its scope and feel are different. Collaboration is another key difference. Obsidian is local first, and collaboration typically happens through services like Obsidian Sync or third-party tools. Roam is built for the cloud and supports real-time sharing and collaboration naturally. Daily notes and journaling workflows are available in both. Obsidian offers daily notes via core features or plugins. In Roam, daily notes are central to the entire workflow. Performance at scale differs too. Obsidian is generally fast thanks to local indexing and scales with your machine. Roam's speed depends on the browser and cloud, and very large graphs can slow down. In short, choose Obsidian for privacy, offline work, long-term PKM, and heavy customization. Choose Roam for fluid, networked thinking, block-level linking, and cloud collaboration.